good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. Got another great video for y'all. Anybody new to the channel, welcome. Anybody, if this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell for more great videos, y'all. Trust me, I got a lot of good recipes. You'll absolutely love it. All right, so today, you know, I was in the mood for some like potato hash, so I said, you know what, let's break out the camera. Okay, so today I'm gonna be making a real simple recipe. I'm making some potato and egg hash. You can eat this for breakfast, brunch, breakfast for dinner type flow, anytime, y'all. This recipe is really good, real easy, real fast, okay? I was making some of this today because I was on the grill yesterday, well, last night, and, you know, I had some steaks left over, so I was thinking steaks and eggs in the morning, but then I said, you know what? I'm going to just go ahead and do a potato and egg hash. So I decided to share it with y'all. You know, y'all can try this recipe, like I said, for breakfast, brunch, or dinner, whatever. But try it out. You'll absolutely love it, okay? Real easy. So everything I got from my potato hash, I got it right here, okay? I got some potatoes I already cut up, cubed up. You know, they don't have to be all nice and fancy cubed up, you know, but cut them all in the same sizes so that way it cooks evenly. In this bowl, I got some carrots, some celery. I had a couple of leftover peppers, red pepper, yellow pepper, in that bowl. And here I got me some red onions chopped up. Got me some tomatoes. I had some grape tomatoes, chopped them in half. You got regular tomatoes, use that. And I also got some chopped garlic. Okay, and I also got my eggs right here. So we're gonna use about 3 eggs. All right, and I got me some turkey sausage, the crumbles. Love to have those, man. You know what I mean? Because you can always throw that sausage up in anything, whether it's in any kind of dill. I mean, any kind of dish, meal, you can throw those right up in there. All right, so let's get started. All right, y'all, I got my pan out. Starting to preheat it before I put my oil in, like always. Got it on high right now. Take a real quick minute to heat up. Then we're going to take it down to medium high. I got my potatoes draining right now, so they're doing a little bit, little like kind of air dry because we want, you know, we don't want them wet still. Had them in the water to keep them from turning them brown after I cut them up. But I'm gonna let them air dry a little bit, then pat them dry. But while we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and get our veggies going. Okay. So my pan is getting hot. Doesn't take long. All right. Get about 2 tablespoons of oil up in here. You can use vegetable oil. I'm using some sunflower oil because I always like to use the high heat point oils. Alright, let that oil heat up. Alright, so first I want to go ahead and get my onions up in there. Get some garlic up in there. And my veggies up in there. And we're just going to stir this up. Cook for about 3 minutes. Real easy, y'all. This is a real easy recipe. That's why I decided to share this with y'all. Because, you know, like I said, I was just, you know, making myself something to eat with the steak that I cooked, so why not share it with y'all? You know, a recipe you can add to y'all palate. All right, so I want to bring this down to a medium high. All right, y'all, it's been about 3 minutes now. I want to go ahead and get my potatoes in there. All right, got them nice and dry. All right, go ahead and get that incorporated up. And we're gonna stir this a few minutes until our potatoes start to get a little bit tender, okay? All right, because we're gonna go through this in the oven. So you can actually set your oven, preheat your oven to 400. That way it'd be nice and ready to go once our potatoes get, a little bit tender, all right? We're gonna let these cook for a few minutes. Our potatoes are starting to get a little bit tender. I want to go ahead and add some of the sausage crumble. Okay. And I'm going to add my tomatoes. Get all mixed up. Alright. Next, y'all, I'm going to add me a little bit of red wine, y'all. Just a little bit of red wine. Alright. Just because I want to deglaze the bottom of the pan, get all those little bits and pieces of my veggies and potatoes that's sticking. I want it all up in there. Plus, the wine will give it a little bit of nice flavor going on. Okay. Okay, next, I'm going to add some salt. About 1.5 teaspoons. Alright. Teaspoon of pepper. Teaspoon of my Creole seasoning. Teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to add a couple dashes, which is optional, of my hot and spicy Maggie's seasoning. Optional, y'all. Y'all know I love the spice. Right? Go ahead and mix this all up while my alcohol is reducing. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover it up for another 3 or 4 minutes. Alright, y'all. This has been about 4 minutes. Take the top off. Oh yeah. Potatoes are just like I like them. A little bit tender. Alright, so we're going to prepare to get this up in the oven. So now what you want to do is, you can use a spoon or something. I'm using my little jar here. One of my little bowls, And I'm going to make like 3 little spaces. Like 3 little pockets. Okay. 3 little pockets. Like I said, you can use a spoon or anything to make the pockets. We want to go ahead and get our eggs up in there, y'all. Alright, get all our eggs up in there. Right. Now that we got our eggs up in there, we're going to go ahead, throw our skillet up in the oven for about 10 minutes. Let's do it, y'all. Oh yeah, y'all, look at that. Coming together real nice. Alright. Now, I'm going to add me some cheese. I got some cheese here. Any kind of cheese you like, y'all. Okay, I'm going to add some cheese. But first, I'm going to add some, let me season the eggs. I'm going to add some seasoning salt. Alright, some pepper. Just a little bit, y'all. Get our eggs seasoned up. I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese on. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my cheese over the top. There we go, y'all. Y'all will love this potato and egg hash. You gotta try it. It's smelling so good right now. And if you're a cheese lover, you can add as much cheese as you like. Whatever kind you got, cheddar, mozzarella, whatever. I got this little, it's a, 3 different cheeses. All right. We're gonna go ahead and get this back up in the oven for just another few minutes so the cheese can melt. Oh yeah, there we go. Cheese nice and melted. Cut me up some green onions to garnish. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. You can garnish with some chives, some parsley, whatever, whatever herb you like. Got me some green onions here. Oh yeah, y'all. It's looking good. And ready to go. Alright. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. There we go. It's done. Alright. That's that potato and egg hash, man, with the veggies, the cheese, ready to go. Okay, got my steak with my potatoes and eggs. Okay, so here we go, y'all. Let y'all get a closer look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh yeah. Alright, so please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, y'all, for more great recipes like this one. Alright, and you know how I do. Holla! Thanks for watching.